G'day and welcome to another episode of Minifig World Workshop. My name is Mark and today I've got for you the USAS-12 shotgun. Now this is a drum-fed shotgun and it's made from two different weapons. It's a mock, so this hasn't been manufactured. I've just made this up, spray painted it with a matte primer, and I've only got one of these, so if this is something you'd like for me to produce, then let me know in the comments below and I will look at making some more of these for you guys to buy. So there it is, the USAS-12 shotgun. As usual, please like and subscribe and share this video. Thanks very much for watching and bye for now.